Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to apply for Instagram verification, which will get you a blue check mark next to your name like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So as a verified account, Instagram have confirmed that your account is the presence of a public figure, a celebrity, or a brand which you represent. There are some requirements which you will need to meet before you can apply for verification. The first one is authentic. You need to represent a real person, a registered business, or an entity. The second one is being unique. So you need to represent a unique presence of the person or business. You can only have one account per person or business, and it has to be verified. The third one is complete. Your account must be public and have a bio, a profile photo, and you need to be active when you apply. The last one is notable. Your account must represent a well-known, highly searched for person, brand, or entity. So let me show you how to apply for Instagram if you meet all of those requirements I have mentioned in this video. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Now tap on settings. Then tap on account. Now scroll down and tap on request verification. On this screen, you'll need to answer all the questions. On step 1, you'll need to confirm you are a real person. So you'll need to upload your driving license or passport documents or something that proves your identity. On step 2, you'll need to confirm you are a well-known person. So like a celebrity or brand other people look up to. You can be a highly searched person as well on the internet. Now in the last section, you can include links to your social media accounts like YouTube, TikTok to show your subscriber or your follower count. You can also add links to news articles about yourself or on your brand. Paid or promotional content won't be considered, so do be careful what you add here. Once you're done answering all the sections, tap on submit. After a few days, you'll get a response back from Instagram whether you're verified or not. So the response will be something similar to this and will appear in your activity section. Please note, Instagram will not ask you for your password or email you. And there you go, that is how to get verified on Instagram. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.